Hello everybody, welcome to our new video, and today we're gonna have a very good tutorial which gonna show you how to show your last updated date on your article. So now this is gonna be very simple, clean, and very short. Couple of people use plugins, but I find plugins do not work 100% on that issue. So I used to I've tried a plugin. You can use a plugin. There's many plugins about that. You can search, but I prefer to use a code because on my theme I'm using, the plugins failed to work for me. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna show you the code that and where to paste it and use it. So if you don't have time, what you're gonna do, I'm gonna put a link into the description below, and you're gonna click on that link. Then you copy that code and you paste it where you have to paste it. Then the problem is solved. Okay, first step, go to your WordPress, go to appearance, then click appearance, then after appearance, then click on themes. When you click on themes, scroll up and see this is the first theme. It simply means it's the theme you're using. If it shows you this customize, so it says theme mag, it's called what, mag theme. So that theme, mine is default mag, that's what I'm using now. But now what you got to do is any theme is gonna work because we're using a code. So you're going to put that code into the functions page in your WordPress. Don't put the main functions page, you put it into the functions page for your theme, right? Yes. So some people used to go and say what, appearance, let me see, appearance, they could click somewhere like customize appearance. Let me get you there. Themes, there's somewhere you have to go and say settings or themes something. Let me get in there, install plugin, header. Okay, let me see, up, plugins, editor, no, themes editor, this one. People, they do this and they go down here and you select which theme you're using. I'm using this one, and you select the functions theme, and after selecting that, then you're going to do, what you're going to do is you go up and you put the code, this code, the one I'm gonna show you, this is the code. So you put this code below. So already put the code, but let me show you that this method does not work. I think I've showed something wrong. Okay, you're gonna get this, let me see, this is the code. The code starts here, the code for the last updated code. If you click here, if you take this code is gonna, let me cut it out and you paste it down here, it might not work. Why? Because you are not going to do what, you are not going to do the right thing. WordPress doesn't allow you to update their pages using through this, never. It doesn't allow you, but before it used to do that. If I save, it's gonna keep on rolling. It won't work, that's what I know. So to do that, I'm gonna go to check something better now, better than that. Okay, you see, let us wait, you're gonna see what's gonna happen. can see nothing's happening. Okay, that's good. Okay, since nothing's happening, I'm gonna go to my FTP and I get you that code. I think I need to go to my FTP and I go to functions page and I give you that code. I get you that code. You can see it gives you the error which says unable to communicate back with your site. Check the error. Okay, you see that's the error we get, and if I refresh, you're gonna see that code comes back. So no changes made. Okay, since no changes made, so we're gonna make it do it using our the FTP. Yeah, so that's what's gonna happen. So now I'm gonna take you there. I'm gonna come here. I'm bringing you, go do that code into the FTP. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna go here. I'm bringing this here. We're gonna go to back and choose the go back and go to your WordPress. Okay, go back. I want to show you where you go because I went there already. So you go to public HTML, then you click to WP content, then you click on themes, then you go to this theme, the one you're using. Okay, then after that you scroll and look for functions page and edit. After editing, you go down below the thing and you see this is the code. I'm going to paste it here. You paste it at the bottom of the thing. So I'm gonna let's update it. Class, let's update it. We can do that. Oh, that's fine. So whatever you want to do there, you can do that. Okay, that's the thing. Once you copy that and paste it there, so if you want to do, if you want to change this text, you can change this text here. Let's update it. You get me? So you can put this and select this last. You can also delete this, whatever you want to do. You can make it to be H1, whatever you want to do. Okay, then you put the dates here, and you can see how the dates are put in. You can put even change here and make them time with time. So now I'm gonna save, and I go to one of the posts and I go and say Google boy.co.za. Okay, after doing that, I'm gonna go to this post. You see this post, I click it. After clicking that post, I'm gonna scroll down. I should see last updated. You can see last updated on 9 of the date. So now I'm gonna change this, and I'm gonna update something, then it's gonna change this date. So it's the same date which I wrote the thing. So now I'm gonna go here and I edit. I'm gonna edit this news. So I want that date to change. So in the meantime, let's go to Google Boy. googleboy.co.za, and we get that. Let me get this. I'm gonna click here after when I've edited. So what I'm gonna do here, I'll say level of Europa, UEFA Europa. Okay, league. Okay. Manchester United played a very good game. Okay, so now we're gonna say here, do you think Manchester United FC, I can football club, okay, is going to win this cup? We say yes. After that, we're gonna do what? We're going to update that, and then we come here and we click here, and you can see it should give us something good there. It hasn't showed up, but it shows after a couple of seconds. Let's wait for a couple of seconds, 1 minute, stuff like that. It should show up. Let's be patient a bit. We're gonna see the changes soon. They're gonna come. We did save here, remember? We did update. So it needs maybe a minute or 30 seconds to show that code. You see it came now. But the only problem, what it does, it can show up, but the thing what it does, it shows sometimes randomly wrong dates. You can see that's the issue which has to be fixed. Today it says last modified on the June 2020, and the news I put them yesterday. So anyway, you can fix that, but in the first place it shows the right dates. That's the way you put it, but now that's another issue you have to fix if you have to try to see, looking deeper into the situation. So now this is the reason why some people don't even use it. Plugins, they are worse. The codes can be fixed. This can be fixed, but the plugins sometimes it's very difficult to fix. So guys, happy that you watched the video to the end. I'm gonna put the code into, I'm gonna put the description where you're going to find this code into the description below, and you're gonna just click and go copy that code and paste it into your functions into your functions page, but you don't have to put it into the main function page. You put it under your theme, the current theme you're using. So this is the code. Guys, thanks for watching. This has been a very nice tutorial, and I hope it helped. And if you have something to say, you know what to do. You just comment. See you in the next video.